Hello, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you a moisturizer that I use to grow my hair, and the first ingredient I'll be using is shea butter. Shea butter moisturizes and strengthens damaged hair. It prevents dryness and itching of the scalp. It protects hair from ultraviolet rays and give your hair a healthy shine. So in most of my DIYs for my hair growth, I prefer to use shea butter because of its marvelous and numerous benefits it has on my hair. This is the amount of shea butter I'll be working with in this video. So I'm going to put the shea butter in hot water and allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to open this and find out if the shea butter is melted. And this is how it's looking, and I'm okay with this. The next thing I'll be adding is my coconut oil. So I'm going to measure some tablespoons of coconut oil into the shea butter. I already have a video on how to make your coconut oil at home. You can now go ahead and mix the coconut oil and the shea butter. After mixing it together, put it in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes. And this is how it looks like after taking it from the fridge. So I'll be adding some vitamin E capsules, some glycerin, tea tree essential oil, and this is castor oil and is a DIY. I already have a video of how to make castor oil at home, and this is all-in-one oil for hair growth. I mixed a lot of ingredients, some herbs in that oil. I'll be leaving everything, all the details in the video, so please do well to watch this video to the end. Now go ahead and mix this very well. So I haven't added the other oils yet. I'm going to mix it before I start adding all the essential oils to help grow my hair. So I'll be adding this oil, and this oil comprises of fenugreek, aloe vera, cloves, neem, and this is castor oil. I will add just a tablespoon of castor oil. I'll add half tablespoon of glycerin. I'll go ahead and add this onion oil, just a half of it, and 3 capsules of vitamin E oil into my moisturizer. Then I'll add few drops of tea tree oil to the moisturizer. Now I'm going to mix them together again. Coconut oil help protect hair against damage, prevent dandruff, and promote hair growth. Castor oil, on the other hand, contain a fatty acid, and this helps to promote hair and scalp health. It improves moisture, reduces oxidative stress, and prevents scalp infections. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin C, E, B12, and folic acid that helps hair growth, cleanses your scalp, and conditions your hair, thereby reducing the chance of hair breakages. Vitamin E helps repair damaged hair, thereby reducing hair breakage and improving your hair's elasticity and add shine to your hair. Tea tree, on the other hand, has an antibacterial and antifungal properties, and they are valuable in fighting dandruff and head lice. It also stops itching scalp. Glycerin conditions damaged hair and prevents breakages, as well as hydrating the scalp. It leaves the hair shinier and less prone to split ends. So after applying some leave-in in my hair, I go ahead and then put this moisturizer on my hair. You can use this moisturizer every day for faster hair growth. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, and like the video. I'm going to see you in my next video.